Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So it's wig grip I'm using to create this headband wig. I need my wig, obviously, the old, very exhausting old wig. That's what I'm using. So wig grip is down on the wig head. I'm just gonna zoom through this, guys. Let's go. So as the wig goes on the wig head, I'm leaving about 2 inches of gap where I want the wig to sit. As far as the wig grip is concerned, I want the wig to come slightly forward. I'm leaving about 2 inches. So I pin it down and make sure nothing is gonna move or slide whilst I'm working on it. Went in with a little bit of just regular water, dampen that up a bit just to tame the wig so the hair is not all over the place. Then I carry on to session, just a little session there. That is where I'm gonna be doing the sewing. I only need just one needle at this point. The reason I'm sewing, I part that hair out, is I do not want to sew on the lace directly. The way I'm sewing it, I'm not sewing in your traditional way. So I'm going in, getting a bit of the lace, a bit of the wig grip, and go under it instead of your regular sew out, in, out, in, out, like you would if you were sewing in, making a wig, with bundles and stuff. So you will see a bit more of what I'm talking about when I flick this wig out later on. So as you can see, the thread are barely seen. That is the result I was hoping to get. So I finish this side up, carry on doing exactly what you just seen. Finish up this side of the wig and cut the thread and move on from where I stopped, because remember I started at the middle of the wig. So I'm gonna complete the other side of the ear, repeating the exact same thing I've done, which is sewing in all the way back down using the same technique that I've just used. When I was done with this, there was barely thread visible, and I went on to spray it with a bit more just regular water again, because I do not want part on this wig anymore. So I sprayed it, blow dried it, and gonna proceed to put a bit of coils in it just to spice it up. So at this point I want the wig to be kind of all back. I don't want any part going on anymore. So I went in and add a little bit of coils in. I could have done a better job, if I'm to be honest with you, but it is what it is. There you go. So you can see why I did not want to let this wig go just yet, because she's absolutely stunning. I don't know if it's the wig himself, but the hair, the hair quality on the wig is really good. So as you can see, it looks like we are rock and rolling. Brace yourself. Moment of truth. So I have my wig cap ready and the band I'm gonna use. Excuse this clip. I don't know why it's messing about. So my hair is already ready. I did try and tame my edges, be tying it down all morning, which I did really good. The edge control I use is my very own brand, Faithletsgrow edge control. The back of the wig, on the other hand, you can see elastic band is already added, because originally this wig was very big. If you are interested in seeing how I attach that wig, that elastic band on the back, let me know, or better still, I will leave the link beneath this video for you guys. So you can see the inside of the wig. The thread is showing more on the inside of the wig than you saw previously on the outside of the wig. That was the main reason why I was using that method of sewing the wig, attaching the wig into the wig grip. So at this point, putting it on, leveling it all up. Again, because of the way the elastic band is attached to the wig, meaning there's no gunk spilling out already before I even start this whole thing together. So when I raise everything up now, you're gonna see in a minute that there's no hair, there's nothing, you're not seeing anything under, because that band just suck everything together and make them look uniform, which I love. So guys, by the look of things, it looks like we are rock and rolling. I'm loving this. So if you have a lace front wig, full lace wig, a synthetic wig that you love, but at the same time its time is numbered, this is the thing to do. Although this, what's it called, hairband wig, I don't think it will be, it's something that is now, I don't think it will stay for long like the lace front or lace wig or closure, what have you. I don't think this will last long. But why is here? Why not jump on a bandwagon? I'm sure every one of us have that one raggedy wig that is just at home. You're doing nothing with it, but it's just stuck there. This is a brilliant way. And when you do this, it doesn't have to be perfect. So this is first time I'm using this technique to kind of make up a hairband wig on already existing raggedy wig. So far when I'm making for my clients, I'm using fresh bundles and fresh cap, everything, you know, made from scratch. So as you can see, I fluff, excuse me, I need a drink. I fluff all that hairband to cover the wig grip. The wig grip, what I wanted to add was that the color doesn't have to be all that, because since the wig grip is not the final color, or whatever band you choose to use is not the final color, you can really maneuver your way however you want it. But the reason I chose this very one, as you can see, when I bend down, it's reflecting through it. It's looking like a fake scarf, if you wish. Because this is a lace front wig, I still want to maintain that. So when I bend down, it's looking more real, if you wish, than if I just use a darker colored wig grip. So as you can see, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm buzzing. I'm absolutely loving this. So guys, while I'm here, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1K. All right, that would be really nice. I'm gonna leave it here, guys, so enjoy the whatever is left of the video. Thank you all so much for your support. I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.